Hi everyone, Chris Hale here from Profit Squirrel. How are you all doing? Really fantastically well, I hope. How is your match betting going? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you've been stacking up the profits. In this video, what I want to do is talk about the best odds guarantee. What is it and how can it actually help you make more profits when you are match betting? So let's get into it. I start this video by looking at a comment one of our members made in the Facebook members group. And this member, Maria, she was a little bit confused because she had completed a horse racing offer but gotten a little bit of an unexpected result. And it surprised her. She couldn't really understand how it had happened. And she wasn't expecting that profit. She thought it was going to be lower. And so essentially what she's asking is, how on earth did that happen? And this thread goes on Facebook, and it was uncovered by the members that she must have triggered a best odds guarantee. So what is a best odds guarantee, I hear you say? Well, basically it is something that bookmakers offer in order to entice people to bet with them. Isn't everything bookmakers do something along those lines? And basically what it says is that you're going to get the higher odds for the horse that you've backed once the race starts, once it's a starting price. So let me give you an example. Say you back a horse at odds of 4.0 and you do that, say 30 minutes before the race starts. And when the race kicks off, when it begins, the starting price of that horse is actually 2.5. So the odds have really decreased and that horse is now one of the big favourites to win. Well, if that does happen, then you backed the horse when the odds were 4.0, so you'll get paid out if that horse wins at those odds. Sounds pretty normal, right? The bookmaker has to honour the odds that it gave you previously. So the best odds guarantee is something which actually helps you in the reverse of that situation. So say again, 30 minutes before the race, you back that horse at 4.0, but then the odds increase and the starting price of that horse is actually 6.0 or 7.0 or something like that. And we call that the odds drifting when they've got higher. And what you might expect to happen is, well, I backed it at 4.0 and that was just it. That was just what happened and what I have to stick with. But a bookmaker that has a best odds guarantee, they will actually redo your bet with the higher odds automatically. So if that horse goes on to win and the odds have moved to say 7.0, even though you backed it at 4.0, if that horse wins, you'll get paid out at the odds of 7.0, which is really cool and can lead to really bumper profits. And that is exactly what happened to our member Maria. She hit that best odds guarantee. She got the higher odds on the back stake. The lay odds hadn't changed, and so she locked in that extra bumper profit. And she had a free bet on top of that because she was completing the free bet offer. So that was a very good day for Maria. I'm going to link you to this best odds guarantee tutorial below this video. And the way I think you want to think of the best odds guarantee is it's just kind of like a nice little bonus to have. I wouldn't say go out there and try and hit the best odds guarantee, because that really, I wouldn't say it's a winning strategy. I think what it's better to do is to actually complete an offer that one of these bookmakers has on. So you're probably looking at Bet365, Sky Bet, William Hill, Paddy Power, Ladbrokes, Tote Sports maybe. I mean, all these bookmakers offer that best odds guarantee, but the bookmakers I just mentioned there, they tend to be the notorious ones for the horse racing offers. They tend to have the best offers. So much like Maria, go ahead and complete the offer as you were going to do it anyway. But just be aware that if there is a best odds guarantee and you're qualifying for that with these bookmakers, that you could see that really nice result as well. If you've watched my refund if tutorial video, you will notice that what I did there was I actually put my back and lay bets on my chosen horse about 5 minutes before the race kicked off, and that was something that I think is quite a good window of time to do it, because you can typically get the moving odds, you can get a closer match more often, reducing your qualifying loss. You can benefit from higher liability. However, you've still got 5 minutes for the odds to potentially drift on that horse, which means that you could actually, qualify for that best odds guarantee. You could hit that as well. If you are backing the horse about 30 seconds before the race starts, or if you're choosing to accept the starting price, then you're less likely likely to benefit from a best odds guarantee because the odds that you back out are probably not going to be that much different to the starting price odds, if different at all. And then finally, just one thing to be aware of is that sometimes people miss out on the best odds guarantee because certain bookmakers have a little checkbox when you actually place your back bet that says something like accept higher odds. And if the bookmaker has that, then you need to be ticking that checkbox in order to kind of opt in to the best odds guarantee. So look out for that. It doesn't have it on all bookmakers. Some of them, it's just included by default, but some of them you're going to have to opt in when you place your bet. It's normally on the bet slip on the right-hand side or wherever the bet slip appears when you're actually placing your bet. So just look out for that. Bear it in mind when you're looking at these bookmaker offers, and I hope you can do what Maria did and hit that best odds guarantee as well as get a free bet as well. It will be a really nice payday for you if you can do that. Thanks so much for watching. Hit that like button if you've enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe. We're over 1,000 subscribers strong now on the Profit Squirrel YouTube channel, and we're only growing. You're going to get free content every single week, often multiple times a week, and that is really going to help you increase your match betting profits, increase your understanding of how you can make money with match betting, and I've no doubt that's going to lead to you making more profits yourself, which is what this is all about. This is why I do what I do, to help you guys understand more about match betting and to make those extra profits. Thanks so much for watching again. I'll see you all in another Profit Squirrel vlog really, really soon. And until then, bye for now.